Good day everyone. This is the report of our group and our topic is all about Chapter 12, Basic Roofmanship. Objectives. First is to know the basic techniques in knot tying. Second is to know the purpose of knot tying in first aid and in water survival. Knot classification and usage. The different knots are classified to its usage. There are the stopper knots, hitches, loops, bends, and special knots. The stopper knot. The stopper knot is configured to prevent rope end from unraveling from slipping through the knot itself and securing loose ends. 1. Overhand knot is the most basic knot, made by form a loop with a rope or cord and passing the end through it, then tightening, serving as a fundamental stopper knot to prevent frying or slipping, and forming the foundation for many other complex knots like the figure 8 or fisherman's knot. So sabi nga, ang overhand knot is the most basic knot na kaya nating gawin. And sa paggawa nito is, gagawa ka muna ng loop, and yung pinakang dulo ng tali ay ipapasok mo sa loop, tsaka mo ito ibubuhol ng parang ganyan.
Figure of 8 knot. To tie it from a loop, twist the tail around the standing part, then thread the tail back through original loop, pulling tight for a secure, easily identifiable knot that's simpler to untie than overhand knot, though it can slip in modern synthetics. Ang figure of 8 knot para di dumulas yung dulo ng lubid sa butas o pulley. Ginagamit siya pag need mo ng safe, simple at reliable na pampatigil sa dulo ng lubid. Karaniwang ginagamit ito sa climbing, scouting o camping, rescue, sailing, boating, and fishing. Hitches. The hitches are configured as a means of attachment to an object. Uri ng buhol na nagtatali ng lubid sa poste, tubo o kahoy. Di siya pangtali ng lubid sa lubid lang, kailangan laging may sasabitan. Lahat ng hitch kailangan ng poste, tubo, kawayan para kumapit. Pag wala, kakalas ito.
3. Cow hinge, used when hosting objects, securing ladder as a tagline attachment on a stretcher and other specific purpose. Number 4. The half hinge secures the working end after an inherently lost knotting configured. Yung dulo ng tali isusuot sa butas, then itatali yung pinakang dulo sa gitna. Pagkatapos, pagkabuhol, may space na bilog sa dulo, ipapaikot yung tali ng 2 beses. Then ganyan na. Yan na yung pinakang cow hitch. The half inch, kunin yung dulo ng tali, ipaikot para maka-form ng bilog. Then iikot ulit yung tali. Tas ilusot do sa may maliit na bilog. Then pagkatapos, hatakin yung pinakang dulo ng tali.
Low hitch works best on a direct actor system on a round actor point. Isang buhol na ginagamit para mabilis na ikabit ang lubid sa poste o bilog na bagay. Madali itong itali at kalasin. Timber hitch works best on a direct actor system on a round actor point and also for usuring each round object such as a barrel and timber. Isang buhol na ginagamit para hilahin o itali ang mga buhol at mabibigat na bagay tulad ng troso, timber o bariles. Mas humihigpit ito kapag hinihila. Ganito po siya.
5. Italian hitch is friction producing, not reversible, and works best when lowering object through carabiner, or any smooth and road object. Number 6. Prusik hitch is a friction-producing nut which is used as rope grab.
Overhand loop used for attaching clips, hooks, other rope, and etc.
The bowline has the loop that doesn't change in a diameter but requires a safety nut.
Number 5. In the line figure of 8 loop, provides connection point for system component at the midsection of a rope. First step, make a loop. Then, pass the lower loop through the upper one. Then, hold the standing parts while doing the previous step. The tighten nut forms a loop.
Figure 8 loop. Using claiming and caving, where ropes straight are light or moderate. Double figure of 8 loop. Loops are intended for a large surface of contact which provide additional strength and multi-connection point.
Butterfly loop is a strong mid-lane know which could be pulled at any direction. Isang malakas na loop sa gitna ng lubid. Maaring hilahin mula sa iba't ibang direksyon na hindi madaling masira ang buhol. Papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano gawin ang butterfly loop.
Sige, ito yun lang. Patungan na lang natin kung saan. Flex mo.
The double blown line. It's double loop that provides connection or attachment to an object or person. Ginagamit para ikabit o suportahan ng tao o kagamitan. Mas ligtas at mas comfortable kaysa sa iisang loop. Ngayon po, ipapakita ko po kung paano magawa ng double loop bone line.
The triple bowline is used for securing as a conscious person during a lowering racing operation. Ang triple bowline ay bull na lumilika ng tatlong magkakawalay na loop sa dulo ng lubid. Matibay daw ito at hindi madaling umigpit ng sobra kahit mabigatan, kaya madali pa rin itong kalagin pagkatapos gamitin. Madalas itong gamitin sa pagsagip ng biktima upang magkaroon ng ligtas na suporta sa katawan habang hinahangat o hinililipat ang pasyente.
The bend.
Bends are rope configuration that joins two ends of ropes, cords or webbings. 1. Figure of 8 bend. Join rope with the same diameter and requires no safety net due to its inherently tight configuration. This is the steps of figure 8 bend. Una, hawakan ng dulo ng lubid at gawing hugis 8 o isang loop papunta sa ibabaw at pabalik sa ibabaw. Pagkatapos, kunin ng isang lubid. Ipasok ito pabalik. Susundan mo lang ang direksyon ng unang buhol ng iyong ginawa. Dapat ay magkatabi ang dalawang lubid sa loob ng buhol at ilahin ng sabay ang apat na dulo ng lubid. At nakagawa na tayo ng figure of 8 bend.
Lastly, a square bend, a type of knot that could be quickly untied after a heavy loading and requires a safety knot. Para gawin ng square bend, kailangan natin ng dalawang tali. At gagawin natin yung right over left and left over right na technique. Yung tali sa kanan, ilulusot niya sa tali sa kaliwa. Tapos yung tali sa kaliwa, ilulusot niya sa tali sa kanan. Tapos hahatakan niya na.
I just had to let you know you're